As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Yuval, Yifrach, CEO and one of the co-founders of Market Beyond.
Eran, Dror, CTO.
Shachar, Baryamin, CPO.
Market Beyond provides market share and accurate sales data for e-commerce.
If I had to describe Yuval in one word, that would be unbreakable.
Eran, killer instinct.
Shachar in one word would be resilience.
Why did you guys choose Yuval to fly the drone?
Because he's an ex-Air Force guy.
Yet not a pilot.
It's the closest to pilot that we are.
Can be.
Here we go.
And they're off. The time to beat is 4:11. The biggest advantage Market Beyond has is that they've done product market fit more than once.
And now let's see if they can be quick and get that first place. Product market fit, guys.
תגידו לי אם אתם רואים בעיה.
I know it's just Anima you have to beat, but you're gonna have to move a little faster to get that first place.
אסור לי, לא?
I like how they're friends above everything and they've got a lot of loyalty to each other.
It really shows. Actually, 2021 was a great year. These guys really grew the business, so looking forward to seeing more. And they're about to land their IPO. There you go. There you go. Good job, Market Beyond.
Not too bad.
So why do you think you guys did that well?
I think because we had the drone in the right driver's seat or the pilot seat.
Figuring out that every movement is very drastic, so you have to be very, very smooth. It's not easy getting to product market fit, but once you do, you start running.